Hi there! In this video, we will discuss how to make friends with teachers. As students, we spend a significant amount of time with our teachers, and it can be quite beneficial to develop a friendly relationship with them. So, let's get started. Step 1. Attend classes regularly. The first step in building a friendship with your teachers is to attend their classes regularly. By doing so, you'll show them that you're interested in their subject and willing to put in the effort to learn. This will help build a foundation for a positive relationship. Step 2. Participate in class discussions. Participating in class discussions is another excellent way to get noticed by your teachers. When you actively engage in the class, it shows your teacher that you're interested in the subject and willing to share your thoughts and ideas. This can lead to your teacher viewing you as an active and engaged student, which is a great foundation for friendship. Step 3. Ask questions. Another way to build a relationship with your teachers is to ask questions. Asking questions shows your teacher that you're interested in the subject matter and that you're actively engaged in the learning process. Additionally, asking questions can help you better understand the material and excel in class. Step 4. Attend office hours. Attending your teacher's office hours is a great way to build a more personal relationship with them. During office hours, you can ask questions, seek clarification, or even discuss topics that aren't covered in class. By attending office hours, you'll show your teacher that you're invested in the class and interested in building a relationship with them. Step 5. Show appreciation. Lastly, it's essential to show appreciation to your teachers. A simple thank you can go a long way in building a positive relationship. Additionally, you can show appreciation by providing feedback or sharing how the class has helped you in your academic or personal life. These small gestures can help build a solid and positive friendship with your teachers. Conclusion. In conclusion, building a friendship with your teachers requires effort and dedication. By attending classes regularly, participating in discussions, asking questions, attending office hours, and showing appreciation, you can establish a positive relationship with your teachers that can last a lifetime. Thank you for watching.